Hello dear students, in numerical methods of interpolations, today we will discuss the Stirling central difference formula. This is lecture 4. See, this is the table format of central difference formula. This is the x entry like this. This is y entry. See in the middle, this is x0 and y0. In the bottom of x, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, and on above of x0, that is x of -1, x of -2, x of -3, x of -4. Same notation in y. Bottom of y0 is y1, y2, y3, y4, and on the above of y0 is y of -1, y of -2, y of -3, y of -4. This is the notation of the tabulations format of central difference formula. So what is the Stirling and a central difference formula? Y equal to fx equal to y0 plus del of yn. We have already indicated yn. Yn means above of y0, that is y of -1. So del of y1 plus del of y0 divided by 2 of u plus u squared del squared y of -1 divided by factorial 2 plus u square -1 divided by 2 of del cube y minus 2 del cube y of -1 divided by factorial 3 plus dot plus del squared u del to the power 4 y minus 2 divided by factorial 4 plus u squared minus 1 u square minus 2 divided by 2 of del to the power 5 y of -3 del to the power 5 y of -2 divided by factorial 5 plus dot. Again I repeat the formula of Stirling central difference. Y equal to fx equal to y0 del of yn y -1 plus del of y0 u divided by 2 plus del squared -1 divided by factorial 2 plus u square minus 1 divided by 2 plus del cube y minus 2 y cube minus 1 divided by factorial 3 plus u square minus 1 del to the power 4 minus 2 divided by factorial 4 plus u square minus 1 u square minus 2 square divided by 2 del to the power 5 y minus 3 del to the power 5 minus 2 divided by factorial 5 plus dot. What is del? Del is the operator of forward operator, where u equal to x minus x0 divided by h. What is x? X is the values of x for which fx needs to be found. x0 means the value of above or below of x in x column. And what is x? X is the interval. So this is the all about Stirling central difference formula and their tabulations. Now related to this tabulations, see the problems regarding the central difference formula. Given the following table, find y of 35 by using the Stirling formula. 35. See in the table x, nothing 35. So we have to find y of 35, means here this is the value of x, 35. So what is x? X is 20, 30, 40, 50, and y is 512, 439, 346, and 243. Here taking x0 equal to 30 as origin and h equal to 1, h equal to 10, h equal to 10. Difference between these two value is known as h equal to 10. So required values of y is for x equal to 35. So what is u? U is formula of u is x minus x0 divided by h. So what is x? X is 35 minus x0 is 30 divided by 10 equal to, it means 0.5. It is not compulsory to take x0 equal to 30 as a origin. You take any value like 20, 30, 40, 50. Take any value in middle as x0 and put here, and you get the value of u equal to 0.5. यहाँ पर हम लोग x0 का वैल्यू 30 लिए हैं. It's not compulsory. You take also 40 as a origin and put here in the formula of u becomes the value like this, 0.5. Now that difference table is as given below. This is x and this is u. What is u? First of all, you consider 30 as a origin. 30 as a origin. So in the above of 30, that is -1, above of below of 30, that is 1, and then after it becomes 2. This is the value of u. On the above, this is -1, on the below, this is 1, and then after 2. This is the process to find the value of u. And what is y of u? Y of u is the same what I have discussed in backward difference formula. Difference between these two value means 439 minus 512. It becomes minus 73. Difference between these two I have indicated by arrow and put in the middle, that is minus 93. Same 243 minus 346. It becomes minus 103. Again del square yu. Difference between these two, that is minus 23. Difference between these two, that is minus 10. And for the table del q y u, again the same process. Difference between these two, minus 10 minus 1 is plus 23, that is 13. Now by using the Stirling formula, yn equal to y0 plus u of del y0 plus del of y minus 1 divided by 2 plus u square divided by factorial 2 del square y of minus 1 plus u square minus 1 divided by factorial 2 of del q y of minus 2 del q y of minus 1 divided by 2 plus dot dot dot. This is the Stirling formula. Again I repeat the formula, yn equal to y0 plus u of del of y0 plus del of y minus 1 divided by 2 plus u square divided by factorial 2 del square minus 1 y of minus 1 plus u square minus 1 divided by factorial 2 del cube minus 2 plus del cube y of minus 1 divided by 2 plus dot dot dot. Here u equal to 0.5. I have already evaluated the value of u equal to 0.5. Now first of all y0. What is y0? Y0 is 439. This is x0, and parallel to this value, this is known as y0. So y0 is x0 का वैल्यू 30 है. 30 के सामने वाला जो वैल्यू होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड y0 का वैल्यू हो गया आपका 339 प्लस u मीन्स 0.5. del y0 is minus 93 minus 73 divided by 2. This is del y0 plus 0.5 of square divided by factorial 2 minus 23 plus dot dot dot. After simplification of this value, we will get the final result is 394.625. This is the central difference formula, Stirling central difference formula.